Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start our math class. So the objective for today is students will be able to solve LCM using prime factorization method. So prime factorization method is the method that we have already done for finding out HCF, right? Highest common factor find करने के लिए we have already done prime factorization method. So we are going to use the same method to find out LCM, that is lowest common multiple. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go back to what we already know. This is your two do now questions. So HCF we already know, that is highest common factor. HCF highest common factor होता है, we know it, we did it in grade 6, okay? And LCM is lowest common multiple, right? So that was a quick recap of what is the full form of HCF and HCF. This is your do now question. You have to find HCF, okay? Only HCF using prime factorization method. जो L method हम करते हैं HCF find करने के लिए, I told you in earlier videos also that L method is the prime factorization method. So we are going to use that same method to find out HCF, okay? So do this two do now questions quickly. Now before starting LCM we need to understand why do we need to learn LCM. हमको LCM पढ़ना क्यों है, ठीक है? So LCM means lowest common multiple. हमको इसकी क्यों ज़रूरत है? Why do we need LCM? Okay? Suppose that there are two trains, train A and train B. Both of these trains starts its journey from मुंबई टू दिल्ली. मुंबई से दिल्ली के लिए ये दो ट्रेन जा रही है, ट्रेन ए और ट्रेन बी. नाउ इन ट्रेन ए आयुषी दीदी इज देयर एंड श्रीनी दीदी इज इन ट्रेन बी, ठीक है? बोथ ऑफ दिस ट्रेन्स दे स्टार्ट एट 10 AM. दोनों भी ट्रेन जो है मुंबई से 10 AM से स्टार्ट होती है, ठीक है? बट ट्रेन ए स्टॉप्स आफ्टर एवरी 16 मिनट्स एंड ट्रेन बी स्टॉप्स आफ्टर एवरी 24 मिनट्स. ट्रेन ए जो है वो 16 मिनट्स के बाद रुकती है और ट्रेन बी 24 मिनट्स के बाद रुकती है, ठीक है? नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, आयुषी दीदी एंड श्वेनी दीदी वांट्स टू मीट एंड ईट टुगेदर. उन लोग को क्या करना है, उन लोग ने डिसाइड किया है कि दे वांट टू मीट, ओके, ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी फ्रॉम मुंबई टू दिल्ली. दे वांट टू मीट इन बिटवीन एट अ स्टॉप एंड दे वांट टू ईट टुगेदर, ओके? सो we need to find out at what time both of this train will meet. जब ये दोनों ट्रेन मिलेगी तभी आयुषी दीदी और श्वेनी दीदी मिलेंगे. So we need to find out at what time both of these trains will meet. क्योंकि एक तो 16 मिनट्स के बाद रुक रही है, दूसरी तो 24 मिनट्स के बाद रुक रही है. So they will not meet at the first stop. We need to find out at what stop and at what time they will meet together, ठीक है? So what is the question here? What is the shortest period of time they will meet? So कौन सा सबसे कम समय होगा जहाँ पे between the journey श्वेनी दीदी and आयुषी दीदी means train A and train B will meet together, right? So this is the time where train A stops 16 minutes और this is the time when train B stops 24 minutes. तो ये दोनों का common multiple निकालना है which has to be the shortest, means which has to be the lowest. So LCM ये टाइम पे काम आता है to find out when these two numbers which is the lowest multiple which is common for both of these numbers, ठीक है? So how to find out? Alright, so this is your step 1. Write the numbers in L shape together. दोनों नंबर को L shape में लिखो, ठीक है? So we will do it. We will write down both the numbers in L shape. पहले क्या आएगा 16 24. L shape बना के both the numbers together. HCF में सेपरेट करना है बट LCM में दोनों साथ में, ठीक है? स्टेप नंबर 2, फाइंड द फैक्टर्स. दोनों के फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. गो बैक, ओके? सो वील ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद 1. सो 1 16 are 16, 1 24 are 24. नाउ आफ्टर 1 चेक फॉर 2. 2 से 16 जाएगा, यस. 2 comes under 16 comes under 2 का टेबल. एट व्हाट टाइम्स? 2 8 are 16, 24 आता है, 2 10 are 20 होता है, बट आई डोंट नो 24 कब आता है. ओके, डू योर वर्किंग नोट हियर. 24 को डिवाइड कर दो 2 से, यू विल गेट द नंबर. 2 1s are 2, 4 2 2s are 4. राइट। कब आता है? 12 टाइम्स पे। Now again start checking from 2. Always start checking from 2. भले यहाँ पे if you see 10 तो 10 तो 10 1 10 हो जाएगा, but always start from 2. So ये 8 है, 8 2 के टेबल में आएगा, yes. 2 4 जा and 2 6 जा. Again start from 2. 2 2 जा, 2 3 जा. Now start from 2, right? So 2 1 जा 2, but 3 आता है 2 के टेबल में? No. So write down 3 as it is. Now I have got my one answer as 1. I need to make this also 1, right? So 3 के टेबल में ही आएगा, 1 का 1 लिख दो, 3 1 जा 3. जब तक both the numbers are not 1, we'll find out the factors. Okay? So यहाँ पे दोनों 1 हो गया है. Stop here. These are your factors. Alright? So we have completed step 2. Go for step 3. Write the factors. So I will write down the factors here since I don't have enough space there. So what are the factors? These are your common factors, right? Okay. It is 1, 2, 2. How many times 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 2 and 3. Done? Now multiply the factors to find LCM. क्या करना है? Multiply करना है. So LCM कैसे निकालेंगे? We will just multiply them. LCM which will be equals to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Alright, so 1 2 जा 2, तो ये हो गया 1 2 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 16 3 जा I don't know 16 का टेबल नहीं है. If you don't know 16 का टेबल, you can multiply it, right? So you can find out 16 3 जा 3 6 जा 18, 3 1 जा 3 4, right? 48. Now यहाँ पे मैंने डायरेक्टली किया है. What you can do, what we used to do in 6th grade. 1 2 जा 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, right? If you are comfortable doing that method, you can do. If you are not comfortable, you can quickly multiply two numbers and write down the rest number down. Now multiply these two numbers. 2 2 जा 4. Into 2 into 2 into 3. Now multiply these two, it will give you 8. Now multiply these two, it will give you 16, and 16 is to 3 is nothing but 48. So I got my answer as 48. What is the LCM of 16 and 24? It is 48. Now if we go back to the video, to the question, what was the question asking? What is the shortest period of time that Shoini Didi and Ayushi Didi will meet? So they will meet after 48 minutes, right? Units के यहाँ पे minutes है. So they will meet after 48 minutes. So when they start the journey, both the trains will meet after 48 minutes. That is why LCM is helpful. Clear? Okay, so this is your question. Find LCM using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method is L method. Okay, there is no different method. This is your question 12 and 15. Using this steps to build skill, we are going to find out LCM of 12 and 15. We'll do it quickly. So first write down the numbers in L shape together. This is our first step. Now find out the common factors. Always start with 1. So 1 12 जा 12, 1 15 जा 15. नाउ चेक फॉर 2. 2 के टेबल में कोई भी एक नंबर भी आएगा तो चलेगा. 2 के टेबल में 12 आएगा, यस. 2 6 जा 12. 15 आएगा, नो, बिकॉज 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16. 15 तो नहीं आता, तो क्या करें? राइट डाउन द नंबर्स एज इट इज. तो 15 को एज इट इज. अगेन स्टार्ट चेकिंग फ्रॉम 2. 2 के टेबल में 6, यस. नाउ व्हाट many of the people will get confused here. Why? Because 6 और 15 दोनों 3 के टेबल में आता है, but I always told you to start checking from 2. So we'll check from 2. 2 3 6, 15 तो नहीं आएगा, राइट? इट नॉन एज इट इज. अब दोनों भी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2, दोनों भी 2 से नहीं आएगा, राइट? 2 के टेबल में. सो विल गो फॉर 3. 3 1 3, 3 5 15. नाउ 5 बच गया. 5 will come only in 5 का टेबल. So this will be 5. 5 1 as it is 1 and 5 1 5, right? So दोनों 1 हो गया. These are your factors. What do we do with the factors? we write them down and we multiply. So we'll multiply. We'll multiply by 111. So we'll multiply first these two numbers. If you want to multiply it directly, you can do so. 2 2s are 4. I am doing it very quickly. Don't make calculation mistakes here, okay? You can go slowly. 4 3s are 12 into 5, and 12 5s is 60, which means, okay, 12 and 15, both the common multiple of both the number is 60. ठीक है, तो दोनों का टेबल इफ यू विल सी, दोनों के टेबल में 60 आएगा, एंड दैट इज द लोवेस्ट नंबर. 60 से पहले और कोई नंबर नहीं आएगा दोनों के टेबल में. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, दिस आर योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस क्लास. फाइंड LCM यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. यूज L मेथड ओनली. 18 and 32, 15 and 45, 10 and 50, 45 and 60, 10, 15 and 20. Pause your video here. Copy down the questions in your notebook. Okay. Now, so with this we have come to the end of our today's session. I hope that all of you now know why do we learn LCM and what is the method to use in order to find out LCM. Okay, so LCM and HCF both we are going to use prime factorization method only. Clear? For HCF, remember I told you to find out division method. I came to know that many of you didn't understand, or it was very difficult for you to understand division method. It's okay. Those who know how to find out HCF using division method, you can follow that. If you don't know that method, you can always follow our L method, that is prime factorization method. Okay. Now, I want everyone. What's happening is only 35 or 40 students are submitting homeworks on WhatsApp. Make sure that everyone watch this video and submit your homework questions by 1:30 PM. I'm expecting everyone to follow this. Okay, thank you so much.